Hi, welcome to the first in a series of famous slap bass lines played on guitar. If you're unfamiliar with how to play slap guitar or slap bass, if you're a bass player watching this video, you can check out the first lesson in my slap guitar series up there if you want to learn the basics. So today I thought we would start with probably the most famous slap bass player, Flea, and his awesome bass line, Skinny Sweaty Man. So let's get to a close up and we'll learn how to play it. So this one starts with a hammer on from the 5th fret to the 7th fret of the A string. And we slap that. And then we have a hit with a muted string hit with the thumb. So we've got. Then we move up to a pop or a pluck on the 5th fret of the D string. Like that. So it's pluck, muted hit, pluck. So far we've got. And then we have another hammer on from the 5th fret to the 7th fret of the A string. So all together slowly, that is. And then the next part of the riff is we have a muted hit with a thumb, a pluck on the 5th fret of the D string, and then a slap on the open E. So those next three parts would be like that. And to finish the riff, we pluck on the 9th fret of the G string, like that. So all together the riff would be. And that's the entire slap riff. So the only other main part in there is a little lick that he plays that goes like this. So the first three notes sound like this, which is the 7th, 6th, and 4th notes of the G string. And then up to the 7th fret of the D string. So those first four notes are. Then we play on the D string the 5th, 6th, and 7th frets, like that. And then up to the 4th fret of the G string. So those second four notes are. So altogether we have. And then the last three notes are the 5th fret of the D string, 7th fret of the A string, and the 9th fret of the G string. So all together slowly we have. And that's how to play Skinny Sweaty Man on slap guitar. So because I'm a guitarist and sometimes like to use a pick, this might anger a lot of the bass players watching this video, I'll play the first part of that riff slapped and I'll play the lick with my pick. But you can do whatever's comfortable for you. It depends if you can switch that fast. I always have the pick in my hand. As for tone, just basically any clean tone you can get. I find the best clean tones come from Fender amps, like a Fender Princeton for example, has an amazing slap tone. But most of the tone for slap guitar anyway comes from your technique, like how well you slap the note, how well you pluck the notes, and how clear your muted hits are. And also how even you keep the dynamics. You can add a compressor to help even those out if you like, as well, but I prefer just to play it without. So this is the start of a series where I've got a few riffs already noted down I'm going to play, but if you've got any requests, please let me know in the comments because I'd be interested to hear what slap riffs you'd like me to play and demonstrate. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this lesson. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.